Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the auto expect command. You can use it to build expect scripts, and those are scripts that allow you to run other scripts without having to provide answers interactively. So say you have a script that asks you a number of questions, like here. There are 5 questions and 5 answers, and you want to be able to run this in an automated fashion without having to answer the question. So we'll use auto expect, supply the name of the script, which is ask me, and it's going to run through the script and ask us for the questions that it needs to record. So I'll say var app.tgc, and I want all the components. Yes, yes, yes. And now the script is ready, and it's called script.exp. If I look at the end of that script, you'll see that it's saved the questions that were asked and the answers that I provided. And it's probably a good idea to give it a more meaningful name, so when I use it, I know what I'm doing. And I'll just call it askme.exp. Well, that is your Linux tip for the auto expect command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.